So I went to the dollar store like 2 hours ago, 3 hours ago, 2 hours ago, I don't know. And when I was in line, I like coughed because I just came from eating. So like my throat was like a little congested. This lady gave me the dirtiest fucking look. It was hilarious. So a lot of angry bitches out there. If you cough in public, they don't like it, especially when you're within 10 feet of their kids. Be warned.